Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. In fact, what I'm going to actually do, because the price movement was so big, is I'm just going to start over. So yes, these lines that I'm deleting still do pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So like I said, we'll just start fresh here and try to keep annotations to a minimum. One of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level is right here at 30 cents. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 30 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 30, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that's what's being represented. Again, yeah, sure, staying up above 30 cents, that would be awesome. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as where the sellers are hanging out at and levels of resistance, pretty straightforward, right up there at 35 cents. On 3 separate occasions today, the price tried to get up through that level and couldn't quite do it. So that's very clearly where the sellers are hanging out at and will be public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Should be pretty interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.